Evolution 5.1 enhances medium, long-term and strategic life of mine scheduling, reducing operating costs and maximising the value of deposits. The groundbreaking multi-objective optimisation algorithm has been expanded to handle scheduling with solids. Work with up to 3 objectives simultaneously. Multiple blending targets can be set. Users can define multiple variables and the weighting associated for each one, and control the ratio between the variables. Simple pivot tables make it easy to check the results of the optimisation. Analyse multiple solutions and quickly assess blending results. Setting functionality has been incorporated into Evolution strategy. The intuitive interface allows users to select previous results, replicate the sequence of some periods, and optimise further periods, providing greater flexibility and control. Multiple waste dump options in strategy delivers a simple workflow for more detail about where material is going. As many waste dumps as necessary can be added, with options to consider associated haulage costs, define incremental capacity and costs, and indicate the most cost-effective strategy. New configuration options provide greater flexibility in managing projects. A new database has been added, allowing users to set truck specifications. Simplified haulage configuration allows users to drag and drop a DGD file to convert it to a haulage network. Haulage hours can now be calculated using information from block models. Waypoints can be transferred from one setup to another, enabling new scenarios to be created in a matter of seconds. NPV objective improvements in Origin with solids let users specify fixed values, add formulas, or pick from attributes. NPV calculation details have been added to overview reports. Schedule files can be easily exported to transfer schedules between different computers or users. Create Vulkan block models in Evolution to use the scheduling information and attributes in Vulkan. New constraints give full control over equipment allocation during the scheduling process. Upgrades to Evolution Origin and Strategy allow users to tackle complex scheduling problems.